For the top drop shadow over here, I'm going to change the value to 50. I'm going to select this top one, hit Ctrl C to copy, hit Ctrl V to paste. Here I now have 3 drop shadows. Select the top drop shadow once more and change the value from 50 to 100. Select the top one, hit Ctrl C to copy, hit Ctrl V to paste. Change the value for the top one from 100 to 200. Repeat the same process, hit Ctrl C to copy and hit Ctrl V to paste. And change the value of the top one to 400. You can repeat this as many times as you like. Ctrl C to copy and hit Ctrl V to paste. And change the value of the top one to 1000. Go over to the effects tab over here and search for the tint effect and apply this tint effect onto your clip over here. Under tint in effects control, change the map white to any color you prefer and hit OK. To save this as a preset, scroll down to the last drop shadow over here and select it and hold down shift and scroll up to the tint effect and select the tint effect. Right click and hit save preset. I'm going to name this glowing text effect and hit OK.